After open MantisClaw, please wait until seeing database connectivity when it shows connected and healthy. Then you are ready to use most advanced and only UI desktop AI agent, MantisClaw. First, you will need to create a local account for securing MantisClaw desktop application. Click Get Started button at the top and create a new account. This account will be created in the local database. Then, log in MantisClaw with your account. Again, this is your local account. My Account tab shows your account details. You can update account information or change your password. Before start using MantisClaw, you will need to configure LLM provider. Click LLM settings menu, then choose AI provider you would like to use, and choose or type model name. If your provider requires API key, put API key and click Update button. Optionally, you can set your scenarios and agents. Click My Scenarios, then click Add New Scenario. Then give it a name, and in description, write your scenario. In other platforms, this is also called Soul. To create a new agent, click My Agents, then click Add New Agent. Give a name to your agent and choose the scenario. Your agent will use this scenario, or called Soul. Click Add button to create your agent. Now, let's configure channels. Click Channels button from the menu. Then click Chat UI channel. Then choose which agent you would like to use for this channel. This is just default setting. You can use any agent in any channel. Congratulations! You have configured your MantisClaw desktop agent. Now let's test our new agent in Chat UI. Click the plus button in Conversations area to start a new chat. Then test your agent. MantisClaw will prepare your agent with your scenario and spin up your new agent. Your agent will respond your messages. It is ready to take new tasks from you. MantisClaw is the only multi-platform computer-used desktop interactive agent. Thanks for watching MantisClaw.